Oh, glitz glam fam, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I had to open the window. It was too hot in here. I was literally burning. I was like, oh my god, I'm on fire. So I had to open the window. So of course a car drives by the second I start filming, but bear with me on the background noise if there is any. So I'm bringing you guys another installment in our mystery box series. Here we go, and this one is from Clutch Nails. And if you guys don't know, like, I love press-on nails. I wear them all the time for like 3 days, and then I'll, you know, take them off. And yeah, I saw they had I got these like for Christmas because one of the best gifts to get me, you know, which is really inexpensive, is nails. I love nails. So yeah, so my sister got me these nails, and I was like, in the group chat, what nails are these? I love them. They were so sparkly. Well, before I jacked them up, you know, because you have to wash your hands a million times nowadays. So yeah, they were like ombre sparkle, and they were called like Sugar Baby. I was like, where'd you get these nails from? So anyway, they told me it was like Clutch Nails, and I was like looking for them online, and they had mystery boxes. So I was like, this is fate, this is destiny, and this is going to be the next installment in my mystery box series. So guys, Glitz Glam fam, we have the Clutch Nails mystery box unboxing. Now, I don't know, like, how does it go? Because, oh, okay, so this is it. I think this is it. There's no invoice or anything. I did order some extra stuff, so I'm gonna have to look and see what all is what, but I believe this is the mystery box. And I mean, can we get into this? Can we get into this packaging? Like, OMG, this is so cute. Look at this. It looks like spider webs, like a Halloween-y type vibe. So I'm gonna pull everything out, and then I'll put, I think I'll have to look at the invoice, because I did order a couple extra things, because the mystery thing said short and medium, and I was like, I want long nails. So I did leave them a note like, oh, can I get long nails if available? So I'm not sure, you know, if they got that. So let's get into this and see what's in here. So first, okay, so these are short. This is as if. So these are kind of basic, pale, very short, a little too short for moi. But I mean, I'll try them, but I like a little bit longer personally. And these are in the style as if. So let's see. The next one is, oh, how cute. Okay, the next one is Ghosted, and it has little ghosts on them. Yes, I will wear them if it's not Halloween. I don't really care. They're like orange with ghosts. These are so cute. And oh, I meant to tell you guys, we're going to be doing the giveaway winner for the Glamlite giveaway in this video. And then, these are so cute. I wish these were long. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Guys, you know, stars are my thing. Like, the Never Basic Lashes for Glitz Glam box with the stars on them. Oh my god. These are so cute. Okay, so they did send me short and medium for the mystery box. So these are the mystery box ones. So you got 3, and I think it was $15. I'll have to look at the invoice and see. I'll put the retails in here, the retail values in here. But this is the mystery box, and I mean, come on, packaging. That's really cute, actually. So the next ones I got, so there's 4 more pairs in here. So I think this was a bundle. One of these was a bundle, and one of them I just had to have, so I just got it separately, I believe. So I'll save the one I just had to have for last. So this one I think it was a bundle. This is Greek Goddess. I love, 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 love white nails personally. Like with my chocolate skin, it looks so good. Like these are kind of white, but these are all the way white. And it's just like, it's so fire. Like this is the length I like. So what length is this? This is Greek Goddess. Does it say the length on here? Like this is the type of length that I like. So this is a little bit longer than those because those are kind of short. So like, well, these are long, but one of them was short. Yeah, so see, these are too short for me. Like for all that, I'll have my regular nails out. I need a little bit longer, a little bit more drama, but these are cute. I just love stars. So yeah, so these are called Greek Goddess. They stay, you slay. And these I've had on, I put them on like right before my date, which was not this weekend, last weekend. So they do last, you know, pretty long. So yeah. Okay, this is Breakfast at Tiffany's, which Tiffany blue. I mean, come on, with my chocolate skin. Come on. Look at that. Come on. I was just telling my sister for Glitz Glam Box because we're going to redesign the sticker. Usually, you know, I don't tell our business, but I just have to. So I saw this pink box with like this blue writing. It was like for a sugar or a candy company or something. I was like, that is so cute. Turquoise on pink. So then, and then these came in the mail. So that's really funny. I was just saying that today. But yeah, this is the Tiffany blue. So, I mean, come on. It's iconic. It's iconic. Come on. These, when you guys see these, you know. I mean, you know. Hello. Pastel, tie-dye, and glitter. Come on. This is like just right up my alley. God, I had so much stuff in my shopping cart on their site. I was just like, you know what? Just throw it in the bag. Okay, just throw it in the bag. But I think everything was like $40 or $50. So it was not that bad. And these are the ones I just had to have. So if you guys can see, they're like purple with, they're called Euphoria. I mean, the name alone, like, come on. Come on. So the name alone, and then they're like purple, like a pale lilac with silver glitter stars. And it was just like, I need these. I actually should have got 2 packs of these, but I only got 1. But we can always do a reorder. So this was what I got in the Clutch Nails order. So the mystery box I think was totally worth it. I just wish they had an option for long. So in the mystery box came these, which are a little, these are basic. I mean, let's not lie. These are basic. These are cute, but very short. Like, I love this design. And these, I mean, come on, with the ghost. And the ghost is like moving around. Like, that is so cute. I think that's so, so cute. So yeah, I definitely think this was worth the $15. The 3 packs, because you get the file, you get the file and the glue. So I just love these, and I love press-ons. So if you guys can't make it to the salon before your date, like I did, do a little 5-minute manicure. Okay, that's what I did, and I left like, and I mean, they're really cute, and they're, you know, they last a long time. So yeah, I mean, these are kind of hanging on by a thread, but yeah, they last a long time. But I love these, and actually, these look cuter. Like, I didn't know it had glitter online. I just thought it was like the tie-dye pastel effect. So yeah, I mean, these are bomb. I just wish they were a little longer. I gotta find out how long they are and put the retails. Actually, I won't put the retails. They were all like, I think, not either $9.99, like from $9.99 to $16.99. But the mystery box, I believe, was $15. So it was really, really cute. Definitely love that. And shout out to my sister for getting me these for Christmas. So, you know, you never know when you're gonna find your next favorite beauty item. Okay guys, so the minute you've been waiting for, I'm gonna announce the winner of the Glamlite giveaway here, and you're going to win 2 lippies from Glamlite. I think it was red velvet and something else. I think eggnog or the pecan pie. I gotta look through and see what I gave away and what I didn't give away. So yeah, so guys, make sure you enter all of my ongoing giveaways. I just sent out a batch of prizes yesterday, so I'm gonna do this one and giveaway winner. You know, you guys know the deal. Y'all need to hit me up, find me, do it in the comments, do it in the email, do it on social media. Track me down to claim your prize, and this is going to be for the Glamlite giveaway. So yeah, we have multiple giveaways going on now. You want to enter the Glitz Glam box giveaway, that's going on. And if you want to shop on hotkittybeauty.com, make sure that you use my code GGFixed. It's good to save coins if you guys want to go shopping. Yeah, and thanks so much for watching. Until the next video, guys. Bye.